Hey gang, Poppy here. If you're not over the age of 18, go away. Seriously, go. Go, 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 go. I don't want you here. This show is for old men. So unless you got gray hair, old ladies, you're welcome too. But if you're under 18, get out. Get out. Okay, go. Hey gang, Poppy in the computer room for April 13th in the year of perfect vision. Every once in a while, a YouTube poster talk about their camera or their new camera, or why they got a new camera, or they're just showing off their hardware. Anyone of the 1.67 people out there who actually watch my videos may remember that I used to have a Fuji digital camera. And one day it got caught in a shell and it couldn't move the lens in and out, and nothing I could do would fix it. So I smashed it on the floor about 3 dozen times. That didn't help either. At least it didn't help it. It made me feel great. I mean, all that aggression I got out on that inanimate piece of crap. I mean, I'm just bashing it on the floor. I commented to the wife that my camera died. Well, I can go. I can get you a fart smone. Fart smone. Transpose. Yeah. Anyway. Hey, what can I say? It's about the only humor is going to be in this video here, unless I'm lucky. So anyway, I said no phones. No. Can't you just find me a cheap digital camera? Well, I can let you use mine. So she pulls out her AGFA 1030S sensor. Oh, come on, take the picture already. There's a setting on this thing. One way, all you gotta do is touch the button and takes the picture. The other way, I gotta hold it for a damn minute. Gotta have my wife put it back on, take the picture. Anyway, newer, smaller, much bigger pain in the butt than my Fuji film. I didn't have to hold the damn button down on the Fuji to get it to take a picture. But then it's not a smartphone. Thank you, God. I mean, all these people are bitching about my old thing died in the middle of the video. This smartphone of mine is the stupidest thing. I mean, smartphones cause as much problem for YouTubers as GoPros. Oh yeah. Like GoPro's ever going to give me anything. And frankly, you know, always hearing other tubers saying, the battery in my GoPro died. I lost 45 minutes of the best footage I ever performed for. The microphone's bad. The chip exploded. It took 3 years of video on this one project when the chip... Yeah. So... Well, yeah. Let's try this again. I'll attach those two shots of to the this video here. Good night from California. Keep people away from you. Unless you really like, being part of a mass grave. Stay safe. Stay alive. Remember, rich people want you to depart the planet so they can have more money. Deprive them.